welcome to my Messy Plus life. My name is Denise, for those of you who do not know, and if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it if you enjoyed it. So I wanted to share you guys my morning power hour. This is when I had finished making breakfast for my kids and they've played for a little bit, and it's time to get the house tidied up for our busy day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Get that power hour energy going so you guys can tidy up your homes, and let me know if you enjoyed this. So let's get started.
Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me, for someone like me.
So I first start off putting away any dishes that we left drying last night, and I end up washing the rest of our leftover breakfast dishes, and Matthew always loves to help me wash any dishes. I hope this continues when he's a teenager. So I do clean my countertops every day, but sometimes they just need the extra TLC, and that is what I will be doing for my countertops during this power hour. I first go ahead and disinfect them with my Kirkland brand wipes, and I will also be doing that to my backsplash. Once my backsplash has been disinfected, I go ahead and spray any Windex cleaner that I have. My favorite is the one with vinegar in it, and I just wipe it all down and make sure there's no stains, no spots, or any smears on my backsplash. I clean my countertops with Granite Gold Clean and Shine. It has been my favorite for leaving my granite sparkly and shiny. So then I go ahead and remove everything over above my stovetop, and I start cleaning it with my Method disinfectant and degreaser, and I let it sit for a little bit, and then I wipe it all down with my disinfectant Kirkland brand wipe. For an extra clean, I get Miss Meyer's lemon scented all-purpose cleaner, and I use a microfiber cloth to wipe down my stovetop.
Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you.
And then I use my Hope's Perfect Stainless Steel Cleaner. I pretty much drench my stovetop with this. I love it to be covered in it, and every area it has completely been covered in this surface cleaner. And then with my microfiber cloth, I completely clean it off as much as I can on the wet side of that microfiber cloth, and then I flip it around to the dry side. As you see here, I make sure that I get the driest side of my microfiber cloth and dry it completely down. Make sure that it has all been cleaned and there is no wet stains or anything like that that'll show that your stainless steel stovetop has not been cleaned.
For someone like me, for someone like me, for someone like me.
If you are new here and you have yet not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe and like this video and turn on your post notifications. That way you know every time I upload a new video. If you are enjoying this one, I will be doing more and more cleaning videos, cooking videos, and mommy videos. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
She's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money,
me know in the comments down below if you guys use your tea kettle often, or do you guys just use it for decoration above your stovetop? I use mine probably once or twice a week. I like to make my own teas and try different herbs and stuff like that, and I love it, especially now that the weather's getting cooler. So that's my favorite thing about using the tea kettle.
The sky is blue, I got the sun in my eyes. It can't get better than when she makes that smile. Yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio.
The same steps that I did over on my stove, I do with my refrigerator and my microwave. So don't forget to do all of those steps. You can have beautiful sparkling stainless steel tops. I do not do the bottom part too well because look at my little Noah with his little fingerprints all over it. So I mainly focus on the top.
She's got a ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart.
After I have wiped down my sink, I love to add a little extra touch to it just so it can feel completely clean and make the rest of the house smell extra refreshed, extra clean. I go in with an essential oil, either grapefruit, lemon, anything citrusy pretty much, down my drain just to give it an extra kick. Moving over to my dining table, this table usually does not really get too dirty, but Matthew has been using it as his little art station, so it's getting a little dirty, and I have been seeing a little bit of dust piling up on it. This part made me laugh so much. I had no idea that he had snuck away some colored pencils into my tray. Oh, this little boy is too much sometimes.
You find the way you are. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever.
I first use my Pledge lemon scented dust cleaner to wipe down all that dust that has accumulated on my dinner table. Look at what my little Noah is doing behind my back. He is such a handful. He is always getting into something. To finish off my dining table, I use my orange glow to hydrate my wood and get that shine going back again. I love seeing how my wood just pretty much comes back to life using orange glow, and I use a little bit because a lot does go a long way.
As honest as you are, the way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know.
This video is so cute, or this little snip is so cute. Matthew is always putting things away that he is done using, even when I haven't even asked him to. He just goes ahead and puts all of his things when he's done using them. Fun fact, I used to work at Kirkland's, and when I was working there, I came across some tips that maybe you might already know, I don't know, but one of the tips was using this marker for my wood that maybe has been chipped, or it's, you know, like coming apart, or it's stained somehow. And this is what I've been using for the past 3 years. I purchased this 3 years ago and it's not dry at all. And it might not be the best, but it works, and I do have to go over it maybe a couple times of the year.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little
Matthew had spilled some of his corn that he had for a snack on the floor, and as always, he's picking up after himself. And this is the little mess that the boys made earlier in the morning.
Summer days, they grow shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you. The leaves change their color, fall is closing in, break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down, wish I just could stop. Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you. And I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do. Oh, leaves change their color and fall is closing in. Break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down. Just wish I could. Wish I could stop time. Stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. When the leaves change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop.
We purchased our new sectional at the beginning of the year, and I just had a gut feeling that it needed to be deep cleaned and vacuumed under the cushions and even the top of the cushions, and I was right. There was so much little mess under there and nasty crumbs and all of that I'm so happy that I ended up doing this. Matthew got really excited when he started finding his lost treasures under the cushions.
7 days and 7 hours since I last heard your voice. I know that you felt like you didn't have the choice, and I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. I know I've been a fool, but baby, believe me when I say to you, yeah, yeah, you can change your mind, change your mind. Stay by my side, 'cause baby, I need you. Change your mind, yeah, change your mind.
And we are at the end of this video. Doing a power hour cleaning really helped me out get everything that I needed to get done for the whole day in an hour, and that was awesome. Things that I had put off got done in 1 hour. It was really awesome. I hope that you guys are still sticking around to watch this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Try doing a power hour in your home and get as much as you can picked up and tidied up in an hour. Bye guys, thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please contact